everyone, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark, and in this video we're going to do a basic almond shaped nail, and I will show you how I do my filing routine and acrylic application. So we're going to use our practice hand as always, and we're going to take a medium grit sanding band to take off the surface shine. Just going to put the drill on 6,000 RPMs. You just want it nice and slow for this back part. Take off the dust. And for the almond, I like to use short stiletto tips. So get these off Amazon or eBay, and they're just a short stiletto. Fit that to size. And we'll cut the tip. And then I like to take a curved nail clipper and just take off those corners. .180 grit file. Shape the tip like so. Keep coming from side to side so you don't get one side more filed than the other. When you're doing an almond shape, it's always good to do a lot of the filing underneath, because while you're filing underneath, it's filing the sides for you. Also keeps it symmetrical both sides. And if you look down the barrel, you can see that it's even both sides then. File over the contact area. Then obviously you would dehydrate and prime, but we don't need to. So I'm going to just wipe over that with some gel res to get rid of the dust. And get it out. And then I'm going to use Max Adhesion. And my usual mix of Rose Glow and Soft Beige. Size 10 acrylic brush. And we'll start with the tip. So medium size bead. Bleed that out. Pop it a third of the way up the nail. Tap out the back to get rid of that step, and as you're doing so, it will start to move down the nail. Then use the belly of your brush just to bring the product down to the tip. Just pattern and pressing, and it moves down by itself. When you get to the very tip with this shape, I like to feather the acrylic very, very gently off the end. Second bead, medium size again. Bleed that out, pop it just on top of that one. Same again, pattern out the step. Keeping the finger tilted down. And then pull down the bottom of that bead to join the first one. Cuticle bead, small. Do not bleed this one out. Right next to the cuticle, touch the bead into place. And same again, pulling down from the bottom of that bead to join with the second one. All the times that you're brushing the acrylic, really gentle touches. The acrylic's still wet, so it will move where you need it to. And if you push into it, it'll just put delves into it. You won't be able to file those out. So we'll let that set and then we will file it. Right, this nail's dry now, so we're going to file it. So we'll start by filing the shape, the tip, get that nice and crisp. Again, underneath. And we'll do this side of the nail first. We're going up in this kind of motion, not straight, the file's not straight. Going to work with the curve of the nail. When you get up to the cuticle, slow down so you don't cut your client. And then turn it round, do the same on this side. If you do your nail in two halves like that, you can see that you get it even both sides. Keep checking down the barrel and you can see it's a little bit thick on this side, so I'll turn the nail and I'll just do that a little bit more. Same on the end of this one. Check your apex is in the right place, stress area. And then I like to take this drill bit, don't know what it's called, but Drew will find it, won't you, Drew?
Yeah, I'll do my best.
And list it down below. Like a corny looking. I think it's a cuticle bit. And then just very gently go around the cuticle area just to make sure it's nice and flush. Turn the hand round, make sure it's straight. It is. We've pulled her off. Again.
Dislocated a wrist.
I'm too rough when I'm turning around. I bet I do this to my clients and they just don't complain.
They don't dare say anything.
When they're like, ooh. Take a buffing block and buff the same way we filed. over with some gel res. And then we'll finish this off with some gel top coat. Apply it with a lamp. And there we have a gorgeous almond nail. Very popular nail shape this season. So if you can get this right, it'll be good. Hope that video helped with your shaping and acrylic application for an almond nail. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.